But imagine buying stock of 100 naira and then it increased to like 800 naira. Oga, you are a millionaire.
Ocholi 360 is all about students, and the body will always find you the best work. Yeah.
All of my people, today is Ocholi 360 again, and I need to show you something so amazing. Yeah. So how are you doing then? How is everything? Do you know that this is 200 naira? And 200 naira keeps being 200 naira until you have a plan to multiply it off. Yes. I'm going to teach you some of the steps I normally use to get little money from wealth.ng, and it's actually working hard for me. Yes. I actually have the website and I'll show you guys how it works, and it's not hard at all. Okay. And before I continue, I'm going to let you know little things about wealth.ng.
I've run a test and found out that wealth.ng is tested and trusted. Have you ever thought of having shares with a company, maybe something like treasury bills? Better to invest in an estate or farm. Yeah, it's made easy in Nigeria now. With wealth.ng, you are safe, and here is what you need to know about them. Wealth.ng is an investment marketplace that makes it easy for you to invest in treasury bills, stock, mutual funds, and real estate. The platform is simplified that all you need is your money, your device to start investing. You can manage your account from any part of the world at any time you want. Not only Nigerians can invest here, you can sign up from any country and deposit in your own currency and start investing. All you need to do is just to go to wealth.ng and get everything done. There are 4 types of investment there, which is the stocks, fixed income, agriculture, and the real estate investors. And this is where we come. Number 1, the stocks. Okay, stock, also known as company's shares, that is investing in a company's deal and something like that. You will pay a certain amount of money to have a stake at a company. Prices are not fixed. They are volatile form of investment, and as it is, profit is made when prices of shares increase within a time frame. Then you can sell part of your shares or all, and you decide to keep some. And at the point you have a company's share, you enjoy a token from the company, which is known as dividends. Yeah, mostly from their profit. Yeah, that is very amazing, but let me tell you something risky. Yeah, the number 2 types of people is the fixed income. Yeah, and in the fixed income is tagged best seller on the platform, and you are guaranteed profit. It is a treasury bill form of savings or bond. Here you save up a certain amount of money from 1,000 naira, and you get it with some percentage at the end of the year, as agreed. Personally, I would advise you to go for this for beginners because you always win here. Yeah. Number 3 is the agriculture. The agrovolution section is always sold out. Maybe it's because it pays high, which is the 13 to 18 profit you are supposed to be on it for always. Yeah. Real estate. This category allows you to contribute to building an estate and management and something like that, and you get some percentage at the end of when the building is purchased or something like that. Let's take a break. Have you subscribed to my channel? Okay, I'm not here to satisfy all students in a unique way. Please subscribe and share my videos with all your friends. Thank you very much, and please don't miss out. Let's round up this presentation as soon as possible. It is not only limited to Nigerians, but anyone from any country can sign up and trade with their own currencies. All you need to do is just to go to wealth.ng and sign up. It's as easy as ABC. wealth.ng is available on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, just in case you have any questions for them, and they'll answer you directly. Yeah, their physical office is at number 33 Cameroon Road off Alfred Rawene, Ikoyi, Lagos, Nigeria. And this is the email and phone number in case you need to know more about them. Yeah, if there's anything you need to know and not mentioned in the video, please drop me a message in the comment section. And do me well by subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting. Tell me how you to be better and keep my spirit up by turning on the notification button to see my videos first. Thank you very much. This is Ocholi 360. We love you all.